bass knob is also really cool. It also has multiple functions. What you guys see right now, the LEDs are lit up about halfway, and that kind of acts like a voltage meter for your amplifier. Each one of those little dots, I think, is a half-volt division. So you can kind of guesstimate where your voltage is in the vehicle at a glance by checking out your bass knob. You can turn your gain up and down. There's a clip indicator on it, and you can also turn your shock feature on and off.
Shock
on the gain knob, which is essentially bass restoration. So if you guys are listening to a digital recording, doesn't have a whole lot of bass, or really any recording that doesn't have a whole lot of bass to it, like traditional music, old music, things
guys.
Like that,
Yacht
you can
rock.
turn that shock up and it will synthesize bass from the upper octaves in your music and give that bass back to the track. So you can use the subwoofers you paid for, you know?
Hey, Chris. Chris Jack, Skills USA.
Oh, hey, what's going on,
Good
Chris?
evening. Thanks for tuning in tonight.
And a couple other things about that bass knob. When you change the color on your amplifier, now the color on the bass knob also changes to match the color on the amplifier. So again, if you guys are trying to match interior lighting, it's very easy to do so. That bass knob can be mounted flush, and it comes with a sweet little bracket that you can mount to the bottom of your dash as well. What we've done here is we've actually cut that bracket into pieces and flush mounted it, and then put the bracket kind of flush up against this piece here. So super cool amplifiers. You can do a lot of stuff with them, and I'm excited to see what you guys do in the field with them.